Welcome to Azul Hair Collections YouTube channel. I'm Nick, and today I have something really special in store for you. But before we get started, if it's your first time here, welcome to our channel. Please subscribe. The reason is we do a lot of hair tips, meaning hair extension tips and tutorials. As well, we do giveaways on every video that we post. So don't miss out on some really great hair giveaways and anything to do with hair industry giveaways. Subscribe to our channel. Just subscribe. Just hit the button. Oh, and hit the bell button too so you don't miss out because giveaways are limited as well. Alright, let's get to the Flawless Invisible Knot Lace Wig. This is the newest addition to our Azul hair collection, and the reason why we developed this technology is because I get a lot of questions from customers saying, hey, are your wigs good for first-time users? But I understand there are people out there, women, men, who just want something they can just cut the lace and put it on. The Flawless Invisible Knot Lace Wig is going to be that. I actually have a sample of our wig right here, and today I'm going to be demonstrating on how to put it on and giving you all the details. I don't know with the lighting in the camera that you can see all the features, but don't worry, I'm going to take it off in just a second. But as you can see, first off, you have a very, very natural hairline, pre-plucked, and also the knots are bleached. So why do we call it Flawless Invisible Knot? What is that technology? So you know how with lace there are holes, and in those holes most manufacturers will leave 2, 3, 4 pieces of hair into one hole and knot it. This technology, we only use one piece of hair that we weave into the hole and knot it. If you are, thinking about trying a wig, or maybe have tried wigs in the past and not comfortable with customizing and all that good jazz, this would be a good option for you. I am back from installing my wig, and as you can see, flawless. I love this technology. HG lace is probably my favorite. This is definitely gonna be my second for sure, or maybe my first, I don't know. It is so amazing. The technology is amazing, okay. Installing, still got my clip there, my wig, and as you can see, this flawless lace, this is the glueless method that I've used to do it. I'm absolutely loving it, especially with all this lighting on me right now, how seamless my hairline looks. This is the glueless method, so pull it up and take it down and back. Head on over to our website, check it out. I will put the link in the description box below so you can just click on it and go directly to the product and purchase for yourself. So what is our giveaway for today? Dun 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 dun. I know everybody's wondering. Today I went through some of our stock and I pulled out a transparent lace front in body wave. It's our 5x5 closure, and it's 12 inches. So the first person to comment on this video, and also subscribe to our channel please, will be sent this closure. It's, like I said, the body wave, transparent lace 5x5, so it's a really nice size one closure. We will be doing more giveaways in our future videos. I know I've been slacking a little bit with the holidays. We had a huge rush. Thank you, customers, for your support. But I'm back, and I'm I'm doing more videos. So I've got another one coming up. I think I'm gonna do our ponytail. Okay, well I hope you all have had a great holiday season. Happy New Year. And yeah, I'll see you next time. It's Friday here, so I'm gonna go and get my chill on.